Hey there, future engineers. Welcome to the fascinating world of civil engineering. Have you ever looked around and wondered who built all this amazing stuff? From the roads you drive onto the buildings you live and work in, civil engineers are the unsung heroes behind these marvels. From towering skyscrapers that touch the clouds to intricate networks of roads and bridges, civil engineers are the masterminds behind the scenes. They take on the challenge of transforming blueprints into reality, ensuring that every structure stands tall and serves its purpose. They are the problem solvers, the innovators, and the builders who shape our world. Whether it's designing a new transportation system or finding sustainable solutions for urban development, civil engineers are at the forefront of progress. Civil engineering is all about designing, constructing and maintaining the infrastructure that makes our modern lives possible. This includes everything from highways and bridges to water treatment plants and airports. Each project requires meticulous planning and execution to ensure safety and functionality. Think about it. Every time you cross a bridge, walk into a building, or turn on a faucet, you're experiencing the work of a civil engineer. These professionals ensure that our daily lives run smoothly by creating structures that are both durable and efficient. But it's not just about building, it's also about sustainability. Civil engineers are increasingly focusing on creating eco-friendly solutions that minimize environmental impact. From green buildings to renewable energy projects, they are paving the way for a sustainable future. It's a field that combines creativity, technical skills, and a passion for making a real difference in people's lives. Civil engineers use advanced technology and innovative methods to solve complex problems, ensuring that their projects meet the highest standards. So, if you're fascinated by how things work, have a knack for problem solving, and dream of leaving your mark on the world, civil engineering just might be the perfect career path for you. It's a profession that offers endless opportunities for growth and innovation. Imagine presenting your designs to stakeholders, collaborating with architects and urban planners, and seeing your ideas come to life. The sense of accomplishment that comes from completing a project that benefits society is unparalleled. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey where you'll learn to design and build the future, one amazing structure at a time. With each project, you'll be contributing to the development of communities and improving the quality of life for countless people. And it all starts with education. By studying civil engineering, you'll gain the knowledge and skills needed to tackle the challenges of tomorrow. From theoretical concepts to hands-on experience, your education will prepare you for a rewarding career in this dynamic field. So are you ready to take the plunge and become a civil engineer? The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immense. Join the ranks of those who build the world and make a lasting impact on society. Welcome to the world of civil engineering.
Now, let's talk about the tools of the trade. And I'm not talking about hard hats and tool belts, though those are pretty cool too. These tools are the very essence of what makes engineering such a fascinating and impactful field. They are the building blocks that allow us to transform ideas into reality, to create structures that stand the test of time, and to solve problems that improve the quality of life for people all around the world. To be a successful civil engineer, you need a strong foundation in math. It's the language engineers use to describe and analyze the world around them. Math is not just a subject you learn in school, it's a critical tool that helps you understand the principles of physics, the behavior of materials, and the forces that act upon structures. Without a solid grasp of mathematical concepts, it would be impossible to design safe and efficient buildings, bridges, and roads. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Math can be approachable and even enjoyable when you see how it applies to real-world problems. Think of it as a puzzle that you get to solve, with each piece fitting perfectly into place to create a complete picture. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your abilities, and the more you'll appreciate the beauty and elegance of mathematical solutions. We're talking about essential math concepts that you'll use every day, like algebra, Algebra is the foundation upon which many other mathematical concepts are built. It allows you to create equations that model real-world situations, to solve for unknown variables, and to understand the relationships between different quantities. Whether you're calculating the load-bearing capacity of a beam or determining the optimal angle for a ramp, algebra is an indispensable tool in your engineering toolkit. Remember factoring. It's not just about finding numbers that multiply together, it's about breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable pieces. A crucial skill for any engineer. Factoring helps you simplify equations, making it easier to find solutions and to understand the underlying principles at work. It's like taking a complicated machine apart and examining each component individually, so you can see how they all fit together and function as a whole. And let's not forget about word problems. They might seem like a drag, but they teach you how to translate real-world scenarios into mathematical equations, a skill you'll use constantly when designing bridges, roads, or buildings. Word problems help you develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills as you learn to identify the relevant information, to formulate a plan of action, and to execute that plan with precision and accuracy. They prepare you for the challenges you'll face in your career, where you'll need to apply your knowledge and skills to solve complex and often unpredictable problems. Logarithms and trigonometric functions like SOHKHTOA might sound a bit intimidating, but they're just tools to help you solve problems related to angles, distances, and forces, essential concepts in civil engineering. Logarithms allow you to work with exponential relationships, making it easier to handle large numbers and to understand the behavior of systems that grow or decay over time. Trigonometric functions help you analyze the geometry of structures, to calculate angles and distances, and to understand the forces that act upon them. These tools are essential for designing safe and efficient structures, and for ensuring that they perform as intended under a variety of conditions. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, math becomes your secret weapon for engineering success. It empowers you to tackle even the most challenging problems with confidence and creativity, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. With a strong foundation in math, you'll be well equipped to make a lasting impact in the field of civil engineering, to design and build structures that stand the test of time, and to contribute to the betterment of society as a whole. So embrace the challenge and let math be your guide on this exciting journey.
But wait, there's more. Civil engineering isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding how things move and interact in the real world. Every structure, from the smallest beam to the largest bridge, is a testament to the principles of physics. That's where physics comes in. It provides the foundation for understanding how forces act on structures. Remember those projectile problems from physics class? They might have seemed abstract at the time, but they weren't just about launching water balloons at your friends, though that was a fun bonus. They were teaching you how to predict the path of any object in motion. Understanding projectile motion is crucial for designing everything from bridges that can withstand wind loads, which can be incredibly strong and unpredictable, to dams that can resist the immense pressure of water. Water pressure can be a formidable force, and understanding it is key to building safe and effective dams. And it's not just about projectiles. Physics helps us understand concepts like force, stress, and strain, which are essential for ensuring the stability and safety of the structures we build. These principles help us determine how much weight a structure can hold and how it will react under different conditions, which are essential for ensuring the stability and safety of the structures we build. Without a deep understanding of these concepts, we wouldn't be able to create buildings that can stand the test of time and nature. The key is to remember that physics is all about understanding the fundamental laws that govern the universe. These laws are not just theoretical. They have practical applications that are crucial in the field of civil engineering. Once you grasp these laws, you can apply them to solve all sorts of engineering challenges. Whether it's designing a bridge, constructing a dam, or building a skyscraper, the principles of physics are your best tools for success. So next time you see a massive structure, remember the science that makes it possible.
Now, you might be thinking, chemistry? What does that have to do with building bridges? You might be surprised. While it might not seem like an obvious connection, understanding basic chemistry can be a valuable tool in your civil engineering arsenal. For example, knowing about different materials and their properties is crucial when selecting the right materials for a particular project. You wouldn't want to use a material that corrodes easily in a structure exposed to water, right? Understanding chemical reactions and how they affect materials is essential for ensuring the longevity and durability of the structures you design and build.